This is a room tour of room 19013 at Harrah's, Southern California. This is a king suite in the South Tower. And I have to say, Harrah's, or Caesars I should say, have really looked after me this trip. Each room I've had has pretty much been a suite where they've been available. And they've been really nice quality actually. So this is toilet as you walk in on the right, and you've got a really nice seating area here. Very nice indeed. Eating area there, wet bar at the back with a fridge. And this place is actually sort of in the middle of nowhere really. So we've got a mountain type view, which is very picturesque I have to say. It sort of goes down there a little bit. Very nice. Quite like the big overhanging light. And then you've got your bed in here. Very, very nice. Decent sized TV. Obviously the view is pretty much the same. There's two towers here. There's the South Tower and the Dive-In Tower. I asked which one was better, and they said that they think that this one most guests prefer because the rooms are slightly more modern. I mean, they're certainly in good nick. And then we've got a really nice... Actually, before we go in the bathroom, I'll just show you the hanging space. And your safes at the top there. And then a really nice bathroom with a tub there. A walk-in shower there. And you've got his and her sinks, but one opposite the other actually, which is an interesting configuration. And a toilet in there. And the only thing with a phone as well, just in case you need to make an urgent call. Now the Wi-Fi here is interesting. The Wi-Fi here is $12.99 per room. Now because I'm Diamond, they said it would be automatically comped off, but they don't actually offer any standard free Wi-Fi at this property, which is actually pretty unusual. So just bear that in mind. But I have to say, this is a lovely room. I really like it. Very tastefully done. I like the sort of beiges and greens of the room. It's nice. So that is a king suite, South Tower at Harrah's SoCal. I will speak to you in the normal vlog. Take care.